Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I sincerely cannot thank you enough for all the kind words about my Jean doll in the recent Oscar red carpet contest. I was up against, well, Beth actually made an outfit for her smart doll, but she wasn't in the voting because she's hosting. But I was up against J Dolls UK and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And I have to tell you, those ladies are seamstresses. This was the outfit that I made. Thank you, each person that went and voted, whether it was for me or someone else. Sincere thank you. Beth is going to have the results today. If you go visit her channel, you're in for a treat for her video. I have another collab coming up pretty quick with Beth Ramsden, J Dolls UK, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And that's our Easter outfit collab coming up April 15th. I hope you'll tune in and watch. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.